Windows play a vital role in your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and overall appearance. In Warren, where homes face cold winters, warm summers, and shifting seasonal conditions, windows experience constant stress over time. Many homeowners aren't sure when minor window issues become signs that replacement is the better option. Knowing what to look for, and when to act, can help prevent rising energy costs, discomfort, and more serious damage. Here are the most common signs your Warren home may need new windows and how to determine the right time to replace them. Rising energy bills without explanation. If your heating or cooling bills have increased even though your energy usage hasn't changed, inefficient windows may be to blame. Older or damaged windows allow air to leak in and out, forcing HVAC systems to work harder. Warning signs include drafts near windows, hot or cold spots in rooms. Increased reliance on heating or cooling. New windows help restore energy efficiency and stabilize monthly costs. Drafts and temperature fluctuations. Feeling cold air near windows in winter or warm air during summer indicates failing seals or poor insulation. These drafts make indoor spaces uncomfortable and waste energy. If you notice curtains moving when windows are closed, rooms that never feel comfortable, uneven temperatures throughout the house, it may be time to consider replacement rather than continued repairs. Difficulty opening, closing, or locking windows. Windows should operate smoothly. If yours stick, jam, or refuse to stay open, internal components may be worn or frames may be warped due to temperature changes. Common issues include windows that won't open easily, sashes that slide shut unexpectedly, locks that don't engage properly. Persistent operation problems often signal aging windows that are beyond simple fixes. Condensation or fog between glass panes. Moisture trapped between window panes indicates seal failure in insulated glass units. Once seals fail, windows lose their insulating ability. Signs include foggy glass that won't clear, water droplets between panes, reduced visibility. Seal failure cannot be repaired and usually requires window replacement. Visible damage to frames or sashes. Cracked, warped, or rotting frames compromise window performance and safety. In Warren's climate, repeated freeze-thaw cycles can worsen these issues. Look for soft or deteriorating frame material, peeling paint, or water damage. Gaps between the frame and wall. Structural damage often means replacement is the safest option. Excessive outside noise. If outside sounds are easily heard indoors, your windows may no longer provide adequate sound insulation. New windows with multi-pane glass. Improved sealing. Insulated frames help reduce noise and create a quieter home environment. Windows that look outdated or worn. While performance matters most, appearance also plays a role. Old, mismatched windows can diminish curb appeal and home value. New windows refresh your home's exterior, improve interior aesthetic, signal proper maintenance to buyers. This is especially important if resale is on your horizon. Frequent repairs that add up. If you're repeatedly repairing the same windows, replacement may be more cost-effective. Ongoing repair costs can exceed the value of installing new, efficient windows. Ask yourself, are repairs becoming more frequent? Are issues affecting comfort or safety? If yes, replacement is often the smarter choice. When is the best time to replace windows? Many homeowners replace windows when multiple signs appear, not just one. The ideal time is when performance issues affect comfort, energy efficiency, or security. Professional evaluations help determine whether repair or replacement is best. Replacing windows is an investment in comfort and value. Recognizing the signs that your Warren home needs new windows allows you to act before small problems become major concerns. New windows improve comfort, reduce energy costs, minimize noise, and enhance curb appeal. When the signs point toward replacement, upgrading your windows is a smart investment that delivers long-term benefits and peace of mind for your home and family.